party from Mini Picassos at home. Today at Mini Picassos! Isn't it amazing? Oh, I'm so happy. Well, not that happy because you are not here. But we have a lovely project to do today. We are gonna make a sculpture. Look, a lovely little bird that you can put in your garden. Isn't it so adorable? Oh, let's make it. Okay, so let's make this adorable little bird. To make this bird, what you're gonna need is aluminum foil, okay? You're gonna need sellotape, glue stick, scissors. Definitely you're gonna need some pencils or pens if you prefer. And we have some extra material that you can use if you want, like feathers, in case you have some at home, tissue paper, in case you have it at home, and some wrapping or origami paper that would make it very, very good. In case you don't have any of this material, don't worry, I'm gonna make it with just white paper, so I know that white paper is something that everybody has at home. So let's start. First thing we are gonna need is a piece of aluminum foil. What you're gonna do with this aluminum foil is you are going to make it on a shape of a letter S, okay? Try your best. Doesn't need to be a perfect letter S, but it's this that we are looking at. So something like this, okay? So now from this shape, we are gonna start making your bird. So the head has to go a bit smaller and the body has to go a little bit chubbier. You want your bird to stand up, so put it on the table and do this, so eventually your bird is going to stand up, look. So now we need to make the face properly, okay? And basically your bird is ready. I mean, not the bird, but the base for your bird, okay? So are you ready now to make some feathers? So let's see how we make the feathers to stick on your bird. You're gonna need some white paper. You are gonna need some very nice yellow pencil or pen, and you're gonna color your whole paper. I'm using yellow because I decided to make it yellow. You can also use some other colors to top up. Okay, now we are going to cut the feathers for your birdie. Oops, your bird. To cut the feathers for your bird, you can either use your hands and just rip the paper, or if you want, you can use scissors, and then you would do something like this. You fold your paper right in the middle, then fold it again, okay? So everything that you cut, you are gonna cut 4 pieces at once. So you can go and cut just like this, just strips like that. And then we have loads of paper here. This part of the process you could have done using tissue paper. So you would do exactly the same. You would get some pieces of tissue paper and just cut long bits like that. Or you could have used some origami or wrapping paper that you would do exactly the same. You would cut long pieces like this. Okay, so ready? So of course, these are not the feathers. We are gonna need to rip this paper and make them smaller like that. You can use now your fingers to rip them. So let me show you how it's going to work. Get your bird, get some glue, and now we are gonna start. Start sticking the feathers from the bottom of your bird, then go to the top of the head. So let's do it. Well, accidents can happen. Don't worry, just put some extra glue and put it back to the place. If the feathers refuse to stay in the place, you can always use a bit of sellotape and make them stay here. Okay? Stay there, feathers. Okay, here we go. If your hands start to get too dirty of glue, the feathers, the paper, is gonna stick more on your fingers than on the bird. So you can always try to clean your fingers, okay? Before you carry on. Okay, so you can put as many layers of feathers as you want, and then you can also trim the feathers to look more like feathers. If you think your bird doesn't look much like a bird yet, add layers of paper as much as you want. I'm gonna use a bit of this wrapping paper to make a wing. So let's see how I make a wing. I'm gonna fold the paper a little bit. I'm gonna take this part. So as I cut the paper, I'm gonna have two wings. So let's see the shape of the wing that I want for my bird. So the shape that I want is like this. Okay? I think it's a bit of a big wing for my bird, so I'm gonna cut inside the lines. Cut here. And let's take a look if it's too big. Let's see. Oh no, it's a very good size. So a bit of glue. Get the wing. Stick where you want the wing to be. Go to the other one. Glue again. And here we are. Where you want the wing to be. Nice. Okay, now your bird needs a lovely beak. So get a bit of white paper. I still have some paper that I use to make the feathers. And let's draw a beak, okay? To make a beak, you need a triangle. And you color it. Let's cut and see how it's gonna look like on your bird. Very nice. So we fold the beak in the middle. Here we are. This time we can use a bit of sellotape. So put sellotape here on the top of your beak. Come to your bird. Find the place where you want. Hold the sellotape and beak is here. Here we are. If you think the beak is too long, now is a good moment to trim it. Okay, I think I like it a little bit smaller. Now your bird is missing eyes, so let's give him two very adorable eyes. So I'm gonna make two circles. 1, 2. Definitely this is too big for my bird, so I'm not gonna use all of it. So I'm gonna make a little black circle here, a little black circle here. Get the scissors. And I'm gonna cut inside the line this time because I don't want it to be so big, okay? So here we are. Of course, you can add some eyelashes if you think eyelashes are gonna be cool. So, glue, stick right on the place. Oh, look at that. This is really funny. Let's get the other one. Oh, it's gonna be very nice. If you have feathers, now is the moment to consider adding some feathers to your bird, okay? Here we are, second eye. Oh, I really like this little fellow, look at that. Such a cute one. Okay, if you would have feathers, you could add here to the top of his head, so it would look like this. He would look really, really funny. So I'm gonna put a feather on this one. He's gonna look super, super nice, and look. Oh, what a funny little one. I love him. The other one that I made, I didn't have feathers, so what I did, I cut a long piece of paper. I'm gonna show you how. And I just fold the paper using my pencil. Look, I cut a long piece of paper like this. Then I got a pencil, put the paper here, and I just twist the paper around the pencil, just like that. And then look what happened with your paper. You have like a curly whirly piece of paper that you can get some sticky tape, put here, and stick to your bird. I'm gonna add this one to my bird that I had before, look. So I have two adorable little guys here. They're really funny. Oh, I love them so much. They can be very, very cute on your garden or on one of the flower pots inside the house. Oh, isn't it cute? I love it. Oh, this is such an adorable little bird, isn't it? I love him so much. I hope you enjoy making your bird as well. I would like to say thank you for our subscriber number 100. This is so amazing. Thank you guys for all being watching our channel. This is fabulous. So if you would like to see any other projects, go to our channel and say hello on Instagram. We are really happy to be with you, even this so far away. Bye.